Good morning, children. Today we will start the first chapter of English grammar, and the topic is finding words in a dictionary. Students, we use dictionary to find out the meaning of the words. So see here some points I have written. The words of the dictionary are arranged in alphabetical order so that we can find any word easily. The words are arranged in the dictionary in alphabetical order so that we can find any word easily. Words beginning with the same letter are arranged according to the second letter. If two words are here and they are beginning with the same letter, then the words would be arranged according to the second letter. For example, see here. Two words, bat and book. Bat. The word, it is beginning with B, and the word it is beginning with also B letter. So these two words are beginning with the same letter B. So they will be arranged according to the second letter, because the first letter is same. That's why we will arrange such kind of word according to the second letter. Second letter is A, and in book O. So A will come first in alphabet, and after that O. So first we will write bat, and then second book. In the same way, rat. R is common. Both the words start with the same letter. So these words will be arranged according to the second letter. Second letter is A, here second letter is O. So in alphabet, A comes first and O after A. That's why the first word will be red and the second word will be rose. Okay? Students, now see the next rule. If the first two letters in each word are the same, the words are arranged according to the third letter. If the first two letters in each word are same, then the words would be arranged according to the third letter. See the example here. Build, bunch, bu. First two letters bu are same in both the words. Then these words will be arranged according to the third letter. Third letter is I, and here N. So I will come first in alphabet. It will come first, and then N will come. N will come after. So build will be written first, and then. So here first build will come, then bunch. I will come first in alphabet, and N will come after in alphabet. See the second example. Mass and marsh. M-A. These two letters, first two letters are same in these words. So these words will be arranged according to the third letter. Third letter is S here, and here R. M-A-R, M-A-S. So R will come first in alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. And after R, S will come. So marks will be first, and then marks will be second. This one will be first, and this one will be second. And marks will be first. Okay? March will be first. It will be written first, and March will be second. Now see the next point. If the first three letters in each word are the same, the words are arranged according to the fourth letter. If the first three letters are same, try, T-R-I, triple, T-R-I, trick, T-R-I, and trap, T-R-I. If the first three letters are same, in this example, so the words will be arranged according to the fourth letter. Fourth letter, here B, here F, here C, and here A. So what will be the alphabetical order of these words? Trial. A comes first, after that trial. B comes after A, trick. C comes after B, and after that triple. F comes after C. So trial, try, trick, and triple. Three words. First three letters are same. TRI, 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 TRI. So these words will be arranged according to the fourth letter, and fourth letter is A, B, C, and then F. Okay. Now see the exercise. Mass, march, mare, marriage. The first two letters are same. So these words will be arranged according to the third letter. So first of all, R. Third letter is S, R, Y, S, R, Y, and T. So first of all, R will come. That's why march will be the first letter. After R, mass will become S. P, Q, R, S. Then T, M, N, T, C, S, match, and at last Y. So it will be march, mass, match, and mare. Okay. Now see the second example. Get three letters, two letters. Guest, two letters. Guess, two letters. Guide, two letters. So first of all, first two letters are same. Then it will be arranged according to the third letter. So here I is here E. E. So E comes first in alphabet. E comes first, then I comes. So Z, U, E. Then here S is fourth. Two words are here, guest and gaze. Z, U, E common. Z, U, E common. Then S and S. Four words are common. So in these two words, these two words will be arranged according to the last letter. So S comes first, then T. So gaze, guess. Now two words are here, guild and guide. So Z, U, I is common here. Here also Z, U, I. And after that D. D comes first, and then L comes in alphabet. So here will be guide and guide. Guess, guest, guide, and guide. Launch, lead, lawn, leisure. So two words are common. Not two words, one word. L, and L. So LA. In three words, LA is common. So it will be arranged LAS. S comes first, leisure. Then launch, U comes, and after U, W comes. S, U, W, and after that, lead. Okay. So you have to do these examples in your notebook also. Whatever I have written, the rules you will write in your notebook. Then you will do these examples. Okay. Students, now see the next thing. A dictionary usually has a pair of words at the top of each page. These are called guide words. They guide us in quickly finding the word we want. Whatever the word we want, the guide words help us finding that word quickly. The guide word on the left tell us the first word given on that page, and word on the right tells us the last word. Okay. For example, I have students. The guide words will be different in different types of dictionary, and the page number will also be different in different kinds of dictionary. You have other dictionaries, I have other dictionaries. I have a dictionary and I am going to show you. So this dictionary, the guide word is smell and snag. Smell and snag. So such kind of guide words are given on each page of the dictionary. Smell and snag. Just see here. So the smell will be, the smell is on the left side and snag is on the right side. So the smell will be the first word of this page and snag will be the last word on this page. The smell will be the first page, the smell will be first word on this page and snag will be the last word on this page. And if we have to find any word, then we will find any word. Suppose you have to find out SMS and you have to write the page number. It is given at page number 524. I have written here in this dictionary only. So SMS, SM is here and again S is here. So you can easily find this word showing the guide words smell and snag. Okay, you can easily find out SMS seeing these guide words smell and snag. You can easily know that SMS will be on this page in dictionary. Okay, students, now see exercise second that is given in your book. The guide words and the page number is given in your book. The first word is horse and the last word is palm. Again, on page number 139, the first word is palm and the second word is person. So now you have the given words are here and you have to find out the page number. Fork, F-O-R-K. So students will see the words F-O-R and after that C is here and R is here. So K will be between C and R. So this word will be on the same page 138. Okay? For F-O-R is here and G-E. Z, that is between the C and R. So it will be on the same page number 138. So in this way you will do the remaining exercise. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.